So, good morning, students. My name is Reema Jeevan and dealing community health nursing. So, unit number 6, the family health care and the sitting in the home visit and all. So, we have already started this unit. So, we have completed what is home visit and what are the purpose and what are the principles, planning and evaluation in the home visit. Actually, the home visit is the backbone of the community health nursing. So basic thing in the community health nursing is home visit only. So home visits is done by the one of the community health nurse. So understand the basic needs of the peoples and what about the problems are there and whether we can able to solve in the doorstep itself. Okay, so the nurse will be visiting the home. So with the care we are giving in front of the home itself, and we will be doing some procedures also, technical skills we will be using in order to understand the basic information or collection of data from the home peoples. Okay, so we'll do some procedures with the help of the bag. So community bag is there, so it's a small procedures and all we'll be doing to understand what about the health status of the peoples. Okay, so in the family, so we'll go for doing the bag technique. Okay, we'll see what is bag technique, what are the instruments or the equipments will be there inside the bag. Okay, we'll see one by one. So introduction about the bag technique. Okay, so you can, the image itself you can able to see the bag. So it is a plastic bag only. So inside that board will be there. So we will be having upper compartment, then lower compartment, and side also some compartment is there, one compartment, and either side. Okay, so either side where the hanging area it is there, so that area also will be having small pouches will be there. Okay, so we'll see. So what is community bag? Okay, so community health bag is designed to carry the equipments and materials needed during a visit to the home or a school or a factory. Okay, so whenever the community health is visiting to maybe in a home or a school, in the community area or a factory industry in the particular area, so that time and all we will be carrying the bag. Okay, so which is having some equipments and materials which is needed to give the services towards the papers. So equipments and the materials are needed to make the test or to demonstrate the patient care, such as eye irrigations, then application of ointments, medications and all. Okay, so what is the equipments? So in order to go for giving the test towards the papers, as well as some materials are there to go for giving the demonstration how we can able to go for giving eye irrigation, ear irrigation, and the application of how you can able to apply the ointments, how the medication we can able to give. So with the help of the TNAI, it has given the definition about the community health bag. Okay, so it contains its basic medications and the articles which is necessary to giving care. Okay, so the bag will be containing certain medications also. So baseline medications they will be giving, and some articles which is necessary for giving care towards the people. So some of the measuring things we can able to keep inside the bags and all. So for example, BP apparatus and the weighing machines also, because we should know about the health status, means nutritional status and all nutrition history once you are collecting from the people. So we need to go for checking the weight of the person, so that thing and all we can't able to keep. So it is a portable one we will be carrying and going towards the home visit. Okay, so inside the bag only the some equipments will be there, and some of the material which will be including the drug as well as the solutions also will be there. So we'll see one by one. So what is the objectives? So objective for the community health bag means overall objective for using the community health bag is a systemic method only. Okay, so it will be in a carry out nursing procedures in a family with the improvised equipments and articles available at the home, and maintaining the scientific and nursing principles which also be practiced by the family in her absence. So if so even when you are carrying towards a bag, okay, so which will be containing some of the equipments as well as the materials which is needed for the family members for the health checkup. For example, we'll be carrying the stethoscope and all stethoscope. Then we'll be taking some drug medications. Then equipment will check about the sugar level of the patient or HB level of the patients. Okay, albumin level. So all those things we can able to understand the temperature. So what about the temperature of the persons? Okay, so we can do with the help of this bag technique. So inside the bag, dressing pads also will be there. Any small wound or a minor element. Okay, so the person is having vomiting. We are having inside the bag. We will be having anti-emetic drugs and all. Okay, so in order to prevent the vomiting, we will be giving the medications. Okay, so the some baseline drugs also will be there in that bag. So what is the purpose means to prevent the carrying of infection from one patient to another and from one place to the another by keeping bag and its content as clean as possible. So each compartment of the, so may I has told you in the first slide itself, it will be having different pouches will be there. So different compartment will be there in that bag. So if normally when you have buying a bag, so it will be having so many pouches will be there. So as like that bag also, this community bag also will be having the lower apartment, upper apartment, side apartments and all. So what we'll be doing is in this each one will be carrying one items. Okay, so second one is to demonstrate. So whenever you are carrying the bag, so that should be in a sterile and clean way we should keep. Okay. Then demonstrate the principle of the cleanliness of the patients and the family members by using the bag in order to orderly away. So once we are using, so when you are keeping, so as a nurse, when you are keeping a bag inside a house, so what you have to do is it should be kept away from the children's, kept away from the pet animals, because we are making that bag in a cleanliness as well as the clean and sterile environmentally we will be keeping the bag, because inside the bag we will be having lot of sterile items also. So we should keep in a cleanliness areas and all. Okay. Then to carry out the selected procedures, demonstration, teachings and follow-up services for the patients and family. Okay, so it's according to the patient family members itself will be taking the selection of procedures, because if the one of the person in the family is having the fever is there, so we'll do the temperature technique. So we'll take the thermometer, so also is available in the bag. So we'll take the thermometer and we'll go for checking the temperature of the patient. Okay. Then the uses of bag. So next one is principles. So how we can able to go for using the bag technique, or should be minimize if not totally they prevent this spreading of infections from individuals to the family. Okay, so hence to the community wise. So what happened here means, so bag technique we can able to go for using, and we can able to minimizing the cross infections, because if you want to go for checking the BP, so normally if, even in the community areas and also most of the people they don't have in home side the BP apparatus and all. So what they will do, they nearby primary health centers and they will be going. So instead of going in the PHC, so many people will be there, so maybe cross infection or spreading of infection can be a chance will be there. So instead of that one, so once the community health nurse visit in a home visit procedure, so they can able to go for taking the procedures and all. Okay, so BP and all they will take. Okay, the bag technique should be save the time and effort of the part of the nurse in performance of nursing procedures. So whilst they are doing for a primary health centers and all, it will take more time to go for taking all the procedures and all in a. So but meanwhile when you are doing in a bag technique in the home visit, okay, so once they are doing in the go anyway they will visit the home, so that time itself they will can able to carry the bag for the saving of time and effort for the part of a nursing service. Then third one is bag technique should not overshadow concern for the patient, rather should show the effectiveness of total care given towards the individual or a family wise. So a bag technique, it should not be a shadow for the concern. So effectiveness should be there for the total care when we are giving towards the individual or a a family and all. So it should be in a effective wise we should go for doing. Okay, so don't make it as a smooth wise. So as per the procedure wise we should give the care towards the peoples. So indicators, the public health bag is used by the public health nurse. Okay. So this public, that is community health bag or a public health bag, will be used by the community health nurse or a public health nurse only. Okay. Provide, so in this one, what are the indications are there means we can able to give provision of nursing care services to the antenatal, that is pregnant ladies. Then during the time of delivery also we can give the care, and after the delivery, that is postnatal care, also we can able to give. So postnatal care means, so after the delivery we can able to give the care towards the mother as well as the child. Then because in our bag, so we will be having one article, that is delivery bag kit will be there, so we can able to do in the home side itself the delivery practices with the help of this bag. Okay, then second point is perform the certain diagnostic procedures such as HB testing, urine testing for the early detection of high risk cases, and provide timely treatments. Okay, so mainly we'll be doing some urine tests for albumin, to understand albumin, as well as the pregnancy test, as well as sugar test and all. Then HB testing also we can able to do with the help of this bag. Then demonstrate certain procedures to the family members or a community, such as preparing oral rehydration solution, baby bath, application of benzoate in case of scabies and all. Okay, so scabies is one of the itchy, so the skin infection will be there, so body becomes fully infected, and also what happens is the person will be getting, so each and every grooved area, okay, or a joint area, and the person will be getting the itchings, then purulent pus collections and all will be there. So it's actually it's a during in a unhygienic practices, okay, from the laundry wise and all, they will be getting that type of communicable diseases, that's scabies. Okay, so how you can able to go for overcoming that scabies conditions, how you can able to apply the ointments, how you can able to give the baby bath, then how we can able to prepare the oral rehydration solution, that is ORS solutions. Okay, then provide emergency and the first aid services in case of accidents and minor elements. Okay, so provide, we can able to give some of the first aid services in case of accidents as well as the minor elements. Third one is provide and demonstrate care in case of communicable diseases such as chickenpox. So if in case any family members is having chickenpox, or if they are getting chickenpox means how, what are the care we can able to give towards the chickenpox, how we can prevent other peoples from the chickenpox patients, and we can able to give the health educations. Okay. So next one is provide follow-up services in chronic illness such as diabetes, paraplegia, and amputations. So we can give some health education services and some follow-up services, and we can able to give in a chronic illness conditions. For example, diabetic condition, paraplegia, that is halfly paralyzed peoples, and if they are amputation, the cutting of any leg part or a hand part is there, so amputations also we can able to give the follow-up services. So next one is assess the need of the individual and the family and give health education. So we should give the needs assessing, so you should understand the needs of the family members about malnutrition. So nutrition history, once you are collecting the nutritional history itself, we can able to assess so what about the how many members are nourished, how many members are undernourished, malnutrition cases we can able to understand. What about the environmental history, so whether what any hazard is there. Okay, so what about the sanitation facilities is there in the environment, then home accidents, and as well as the immunization. So these are the things, so we can able to assess from the family. So family means individually we should go for knowing, and so individually when you are taking the collecting of histories and all, we can able to understand the nutritional history, environmental history, then what about the any current event, health events are there. Okay, so for example accidents, then what about the immunizations. So all those things we can able to assess and give the appropriate cares towards the people. So the next slide. So main thing is the content of a bag. So outer pouch is used for keeping a diary to maintain the records. So we should making as a content, each and every content should be recorded and all. So you are knowing, so I has told you the bag, so which will be containing certain pouches, or a apartment will be there. So maybe it's upper pouch will be there, then lower pouch, and the side also in that one pouch will be there. So outer pocket we are using to take the keeping the diary to maintain the records will keep, and clean paper bags and the square piece of newspapers or plastic sheet to keep the bag on. Okay, so outer pocket will be doing, so outer pocket is used for keeping a diary to maintain the records. Okay, so outer pouch we are using for keeping the records only. Then sometime we'll be keeping the paper bags and some square papers. Okay, so you know one, if we are taking one big sheet of newspaper means we will be make it as a quarter pieces and all, then that pieces we are keeping inside the outer pouch. Okay, plastic sheets also we can able to keep on in that area. Then the other one is used for keeping thing for hand washing. For hand washing, so we need some of the articles is there. So we'll see one by one. So what are the articles which we are keeping towards the outer pouches? Hand washing articles also. So what are the hand washing articles? So we need soap with soap box. Okay, the nail brush, nail cutter, towels, paper bags we are keeping. Okay, so up to here we are keeping towards the outer pouch. Okay, so what are the articles which we are using means, so for the hand washing we need the soap with the soap boxes and all. Then nail brush we are using to clean the nails, then nail cutters to cut the nails, then towels, after the hand wash we should wipe the hand, then we will be keeping the paper bag. Okay, so I'll make you, so once we are there in the online class I'll teach you what is a how you can able to make the paper bag. Okay, then down compartment. So in the down compartment we can use the test tube. Okay, so use the test tube, we can use the test tube stand should be there, test tube holder should be there, swab sticker. Okay, so when you are taking the any specimen or no, we need a swab sticks. Then matchbox. Okay, so because we are having spirit lamp will be there, so in order to go for lighting that spirit lamp we need the matchbox. Okay, so it's a lamp holder, that is spirit lamp. Okay, then specimen bottle. So if you want to collect the urine from a patient, okay, so we'll take the specimen bottle. So once you are doing the testing, okay, testing time, we'll take the test tubes and all. Then test tube, if you are heating down the test tube means we need a test tube holder and all. So after that we'll keep towards the test tube stand. Okay, so we'll see the color changing and all. Then waste items. Okay, so dry wet items and all we can able to keep inside the kidney tray. Then if you are having the dry items means we can keep in the paper bag. So that's about the lower compartment. So meanwhile we will be keeping Macintosh also. So in the lower compartment, down compartment. So it's a down compartment, the test tube stand we are keeping, test tube we are keeping. So why we are taking the test tube and all means, so for the urine test, okay, sugar test and all, we are taking the test tube. Okay, so we will be collecting the solutions, that is solution. So I'll teach you in the urine analysis and all. So it's a back technique only we are going for learning. So what are the articles which is there means test tube. So what is the use means for the urine test and all, we are for sugar test, we in the urine sugar test we are using the test tube. Okay, so test tube we are holding with the help of the test tube holder. Then we'll see with the help of heating down the lower part of the test tube. Okay, with the help of that one, so some color changes will be there. So with the help of that color changes, we will be categorizing what about the percentage of sugar in that urine. Okay, so we'll do like that. So with for that needed, we are using the test tube holder, test tube stand, then matchbox for lighting the spirit lamp. So in this lamp, inside that one we will pour the spirit. So with the help of the spirit only it will be getting lightning. Okay, then for collecting any of the samples we'll need the specimen bottle and the swab sticks and all. Okay, then any wet item is there means we should give disposal in the kidney tray. Dry item, dry cotton ball and all means we can able to keep inside the paper bag which was there in the outer pocket. Next one is internal compartment. Okay, so what is internal compartment? So upper compartment. So we will be keeping some solution. Okay, so upper side we will be keeping the solutions and medicines for the internal and external uses. Then simple instruments for dressing, articles for certain procedures such as temperature taking, then urine testing, antenatal examination, and few additional things for the health teachings. Okay, so we will be keeping some solutions are there and external uses. So for the external uses we'll be taking some drugs. Okay, so these are the things will be there in the internal compartment, that is upper section of the bag. We will be keeping inside the solutions bottles, then medicines which is we are using internally and externally, and some small instruments, simple instruments for the dressing purpose. Okay, minor dressing purpose and all we are keeping, and articles for certain procedures such as temperature taking. So we need a thermometer pack will be there inside that one. So cotton balls, cotton pads will be there, and thermometers. Then urine testing items will be there, and antenatal examination and kit will be there, and dressing, so delivery kit also will be there, and few additional things for the health teachings. So in the dressing pads we will be having the scissors, then artery forceps, thumb forceps, enema tube, then apron. So these are the instruments, articles which is there inside the upper compartment. So we'll see once more. So not only in the dressing pads, the dressing pads will be having the scissors. So scissors, artery forceps, thumb forceps and all will be there in the dressing pad. So and after that one we are keeping some other articles also in there in the upper compartment, that is enema tube. So it's a sterile one we are keeping there. Then apron we can keep. So then gauze piece, then cotton balls, then we are keeping the measuring tapes, then stethoscope in the side of the apartment, then mucus sucker. Okay, so for the if we are going for giving the home delivery and all means you can able to use the mucus sucker for the baby, newborn baby. Okay, suck towards the nasal areas and all. Then syringe we can able to keep, and needles with the different gauzes, gauge and all. Then bowl, then thermometer. Then we can use here the rack piece. Okay, so that means we can able to use. So in the fundamental already you have, maybe you has learned about how we can able to prepare the rack piece. Okay, inside the gauze piece we will be keeping the cotton and all in a padded way. So we can able to cover with the for the side. Then we can keep the gloves. Okay, disposable gloves. And solutions which is we are using is tincture benzoin. Then Savalon we can keep, then tincture iodine, acetic acid, betadine, zinc oxide, and some of the medication that is for the ear drops, eye drops, eye ointments. So these are the articles, medications and articles which we are keeping inside the upper compartments. Okay. So sterile equipments only we are keeping. So meanwhile from here, so for the articles, what you have to understand means only the sterile things we are keeping inside the upper compartment. Okay. So then how we can able to give the evaluation and documentation is record all the relevant finding about the client and the members of the family. So you should go for giving the recording section towards the each and every data which was collected from the client or a patient or a members of a family, and take note of environmental factors which affects the client or a family health. Okay, then include the quality of nurse patient relationship and assess the effectiveness of nursing care provided. So what about the evaluation which we has given towards the patient or a family side, also we can able to give the recording and documenting. Okay, so this about the bag technique. So what is bag means? So it means with the help of the bag, we when you are going for the home visit, we can able to take some of the technical skills we can use that with the help of the bag only. So bag will be containing certain articles and medications will be there. With the help of that articles and medication, we can give the primary level of cares we can able to give towards the peoples, and give some health educations also will be we can give towards the patient as well as the members of the family also. Then we can do the assisting for the delivery care, antenatal care also we can give a delivery care and postnatal care towards the mother as well as the newborn baby. Okay, then we can do some of the tests also, HB testing, then urine analysis, and also in the urine we can able to analyze the albumin content and the sugar component. So that's we need the some of the articles, so I has told you in the slide wise. So main thing is we can able to go for after the all the procedures, we can able to do the evaluation and recording all the content. So hope you has understood what is bag technique. So it's the main thing which we are carrying towards the each home, and also as a public health nurse or a community health nurse, they will be carrying one of the bags we are calling as a community health bag for each home visit. So hope you has understood. If you are having any doubt means you can able to ask me. So here how we can able to give the care, up to that one we can able to give the care, we'll see. So how we'll give the care means in order to keep your bag ready for the use at any time. Okay, so it should be in a ready for using for any time, and then clean the bag. I has already told once you are giving the principle itself. So clean the bag thoroughly. So use the bag in a cleaning area only. So see the drugs and dressing pads and the linen daily in the bag. So empty all the content, wash the bag with the soap and water in once a week frequently, and use in a dry it in a sunlight only. Okay, so it should be, the bag should be in a clean and sterile in manner, which because it containing the sterile component solutions and medication which we are keeping inside, and dressing kit also we are keeping inside. So wash non-expendable articles such as instruments, linens, utensils and all with the soap and waters, and boil them. So instruments and all, after the use and all, we should go for giving the thorough cleaning. Replace all the cottons and plastic bags and all, and check your gloves, catheter, then thermometers and glass articles. Replace if it is a spoiled means you should replace, and repack the bag in orderly way. Keep articles in a useful place to make it easy way. Okay, so this is the care of bag. So sterile manner, we should give the care towards the bag. So wash the prenet once in a week and clean all the articles which is present inside, and see the dates of the drug and all. So if it is the experiments, you should replace all the things and use all the was used things and all disposable thing. You should dispose it from the bag, and weekly we should clean the bag with the soap and water and keep it under the dry sunlight. So that's about the topic about the bag technique. Hope you understood. So thank you. So if you're having any doubt, means you can able to ask me personally. Okay.